So, hello students. Today we see some questions in the given mole concept 2 and 3 worksheets. Okay, a direct exact problem we are not giving information, just some different problems. Okay, see the question number 26. So it is given a mixture of 2 moles of hydrogen and 1 mole of 1 mole of helium occupies so dash liters at STP. So we know that at STP conditions, so at STP 1 mole equal 22.4 liters. So whatever it is the gas, so the H2 gas, O2 gas, inka small lightest gas, heaviest gas, it is not. So according to Avogadro's law, we know that volume proportional to number of moles. Okay, for any gas. So therefore, so at STP we know that what are the conditions at STP? Always 1 mole occupies how much? 22.4 liter any gas. So therefore here 2 moles of H2. 2 moles of H2 means 2 into 22.4 liter. Next 1 mole of helium. 1 mole కాబట్టి that is 22.4 liters. So that is total becomes how much? So at the total value, okay. Next we see next. Okay, see the next one. See the 29. So I have to do the calculation. Just we are giving hints for it. So which of the following container contains same number of atoms as 20 grams of calcium. So it totally based on the options. So the options to compare, but I am writing the options also. That is 24 grams of magnesium. Next 12 grams of carbon. That is 24 grams of carbon. So 12 grams of magnesium. Okay, let's first see about the question. In question what is given? So 20 grams of calcium. So మనం ఎప్పుడు గ్రామ్స్ కంపేర్ చేయకూడదు ఇక్కడ ఏ ప్రాబ్లం కూడా వీఆర్ అనేబుల్ టు ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ కరెక్ట్ టు కంపేర్ ద గ్రామ్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు కన్వర్ట్ దెమ్ ఇంటూ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోల్స్. కంపారిజన్ ఎప్పుడు వచ్చినా మన నంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోల్స్ కంపేర్ చేయాలి. కాబట్టి ద క్వశ్చన్లో ఇచ్చిన నంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోల్స్ అని the number of moles of calcium in the problem. So what is the weight by atomic weight? That atomic weight is called, okay. That is 1 by 2 means 0.5 moles. Now compare with all options. So so there may be some multiple answers are also there, I think. So any options check chedam. 24 grams of magnesium at 10. So weight by atomic weight at only 1 mole. Okay, next 12 grams. So carbon 12, atomic weight also 12, that is also 1. So next say 24 carbon is unit is that is 2 moles. Next 12 grams of magnesium. What is atomic weight? That is 24, that is 0.5. So the answer is 12 grams of magnesium. Okay. Means always we have to remember, just compare the number of moles, not to the weight. See the question number 30. So the volume of a gas in a In a discharge tube is 1.12 into 10 to the power of minus 7 milliliter at STP. So what is the number of molecules? Of the gas in the tube. Just we have to find the number of molecules. So మనకి at STP ki, so at STP we know the relation between the volume and number of molecules. So what are that relation? Here volume, it is actually the relation we have that so at STP we can write 22.4 liter equal to Avogadro number. So molecules అయితే molecules, atoms అయితే atoms. ఇక్కడ molecules ఇచ్చింది కాబట్టి we are writing as molecules. Okay. So ఇక్కడ మనకి valume in terms of milliliter కాబట్టి change into milliliter. So 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules. Then what about 1.12 into 10 to the power of minus 7 equal to how many molecules? Okay, just you have to do the calculation because it is just a repetitive classes kabatti you have to do the calculation. Just we are giving the hints for the different problems. Let's see the other question, that is 35. So 1 gram molar volume of a gas is the volume occupied by so dash. So here again it is also with the help of options we have to compare. So there is a 1 gram of substance, 1 gram of substance. Second option 6.022 into 10 power 23 gram of substance. 22.4 gram of substance. 1 gram molecules of the substance. 1 gram mole, sorry. 1 gram mole molecules of the substance. So here, so 1 gram molar, so it is not the 1 gram molar means so not the exact weight. It is 1 gram molar means it is 1 molar volume. So it is equal to 1 molar volume. So 1 molar volume nothing but how much? That is 22.4 liters. అదే ఒకవేళ 11.2 liters ఉంటే హాఫ్ మోలార్ వాల్యూమ్ ఇచ్చినాడు. ఇక్కడ 1 మోలార్ వాల్యూమ్ ఇచ్చిందంటే 1 mole ఇచ్చినట్టు. దట్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ 22.4 లీటర్. 2 మోలార్ వాల్యూమ్స్ అంటే 2 into 22.4 liters ఇచ్చినట్టు. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇచ్చింది 1 gram molar. సో 1 gram molar value means that is 22.4 liters. So 22.4 liters are always occupied by what? 1 mole of substance. 1 mole of substance. So Now check the 1 mole of a substance economy. So 1 gram not correct. 6.02 to 10 power 23 molecules on it may be correct, but it is given in terms of grams. 22.4 liters, 22.4 liters it is correct, but it is given 22.4 grams. Next, 1 gram mole molecules. So 1 gram mole means nothing but 1 mole. So that is equal to 1 mole. So it is the correct one. Okay, so let's see. Okay, see the one more. There is a 43. So at STP 11.2 grams of a gas of vapor density. Here's an important one. Of vapor density also given 11.2 will occupy so a volume of dash liters. Okay, so there is no need of options, we do directly. So here important so vapor density is 11.2. We have the vapor density relation with the molecular weight. Molecular weight mana molar mass అనొచ్చు. Because the fixed values ఎప్పుడైనా we use the word molar mass, molar volume like that. So ఇక్కడ vapor density 11.2 means we have a formula that molecular weight equals 2 into vapor density. So therefore, what is the molecular weight here? So molecular weight is 22.4. Okay, 22.4 liters. It is in terms of grams. So that is so 22.4 liters. Sorry, 22.4 grams the molecular weight. So molecular weight 22.4 and so it is TP 11.2 grams of gas. So 22 point molecular weight 22.4 and 22 grams of gas occupies okay 22 grams of gas occupies how much? That is 22.4 liters. So this is according to general formula. So molecular weight equal 22.4 liter. Here molecular weight is 22.4. So then what about 11.2 grams occupies so how much? Okay, that is 2 liters. Sorry. It also occupies 11.2 liters. So let's see one more. Which of the following contain same number of gram atoms as in 12 grams of magnesium? So it is also compared with the options. So there is 12 grams of carbon, 20 grams of calcium, 24 grams of carbon, 56 grams of calcium. Okay, see, you have to compare. So what is given in the question? It is given the number of gram atoms. So gram atoms means one atomic weight, not exactly weight ikkada. It's the gram atoms ante one atomic weight. So gram atom ante nothing but atomic weight. So you can 12 grams of magnesium ichindante. So actually what is the gram atom of what is the gram atomic weight of magnesium? For magnesium, we know that atomic weight equal to 24 grams. అంటే 24 grams magnesium ఉంటే మనం డైరెక్ట్గా 1 gram atom ఉందని చెప్పేటోళ్ళం. ఇక్కడ 24 ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన 12 గ్రామ్సే కాబట్టి సో అంటే ఇక్కడ 24 grams of magnesium equal to 1 gram atom. Then what about 12 grams? 12 grams of magnesium is equal to 1 by 2. So 0.5 gram atom. సో ఇక్కడ 0.5 గ్రామ్ ఆటమ్ ఇంకా దేనికి ఉందో ఆప్షన్స్లో మనం చెక్ చేయాలి. 0.5 గ్రామ్ ఆటమ్స్ చెక్ చేయాలి. సో 12 గ్రామ్స్ ఆఫ్ కార్బన్, 12 గ్రామ్స్ ఆఫ్ కార్బన్ అంటే నథింగ్ బట్ ఏంటిది 1 గ్రామ్ ఆటమ్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ 20 grams of calcium. So 20 grams of calcium is also 20 grams. So here మామూలుగా what is the atomic weight of calcium? So 40. So ఇక్కడ ఉంది ఓన్లీ 20 grams. సో 20 grams ఉంది కాబట్టి that is equal to 0.5 gram atom. So B is the answer. So 24 grams of carbon, actually 12 grams కే వచ్చిందంటే 24 grams of carbon అంటే ఇక్కడ 2 gram atoms వస్తాయి. Next 56 grams of calcium. So and 40 grams కే 1 gram atom. It is a 56 ఉంది. సో 56 ఉందంటే సో గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 1 gram atom వస్తుంది. Okay, we have to write the answers for every option. So which is comparable? This B is a comparable. Okay. So I think you are completing a minimum 2 worksheets today. Sorry, for every day, not only today. For every day you have to complete 2 worksheets because we have to start the next chapter also. So after perfection in the stoichiometry, mole concept, redox only, so it will be easy for all next chapters problems, calculations. See one more in the same mole concept 2, the question number 45. One more represents. Actually very easy, but only one option is somewhat different. So that is 18 gram water. The option second is 6.022 into 10 power 23. Water molecules. 18 milliliter of water at 4 degrees Celsius dr. So I think you got the answer, that is all, because first two are automatically simple correct. So 1 mole and atomic, what you know, 1 mole equals molecular weights. We know that always at STP 1 mole equal to molecular weight. So 18 grams water molecular weight, it is also correct. Next, number of molecules. We know that 1 mole equal to Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 power 20. This is also correct. But this doubt is here one. Then what is the 1 mole value in this quantum? 1 mole of any compound value 22.4 liters తీసుకుంటాం. But here it is given 18 milliliter of H2 at 4 degrees Celsius. So it is also, it is a perfectly abnormal behavior of water. So exactly at 4 degrees Celsius 18 milliliter of water also contain 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules. And also the weight of so we can write at 4 degrees Celsius it is absorbed. At 4 degrees Celsius it is absorbed that 1 ml of water is equal to 1 gram. ఇక్కడ 18 ml ఇచ్చింది. So 18 ml of water is equal nothing but 18 gram. Next simple ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చినట్టు 18 grams ఇచ్చినట్టు. Okay. So the option is all are correct. So main point, different point here is 18 milliliter of water at 4 degrees Celsius. At 4 degrees Celsius it's a very different character of water at 4 degrees Celsius. I think you will get the details of water at 4 degrees Celsius in physics. Okay, but here what is the necessary for us, what is the need for is at 4 degrees Celsius for water 1 ml equals 1 gram. 18 ml water ఇచ్చింది కాబట్టి 18 gram. 18 gram అంటే molecular weight కాబట్టి that is 1 mole. Okay. So what is the weight of 5 gram atoms? 5 gram atoms of nitrogen is that. So 5 gram atoms means 5 atomic weights. So already we know one here, the main confusion, gram means it is not a gram. It is a gram atoms. 1 gram atom equals 1 atomic weight. So you can how many weights? 5 atomic weights are there. For nitrogen atomic weight is equal to how much? Nitrogen equal 14 grams. So 5 gram atoms. 5 gram atoms equal to this is 70 grams. Okay. So these are the somewhat different problems in mole concept 2. Next we see some problems in mole concept 3 also. So it is compulsory you have to complete minimum 2 worksheets in a day. So see the first one itself. So the weight of a single molecule. The weight of a single molecule of a substance so it is given. So 8.5 into 10 power minus 23 gram. So find the molecular weight of the substance. So very simple. We know that one single molecule weight equal to this much. Then whatever the molecular weight. So weight means మన molecular weight అంటే it is a weight of how many 1 mole substance weight. So it is given in terms of molecules. అంటే ఇక్కడ మన రిలేషన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సింది weight కి number of molecules. At STP we know that molecular weight equal. Okay. So molecular weight equal to మనం actually మనం molecules find out చేయాలి కాబట్టి 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules weight is equal to molecular weight. At 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules what's a mass nothing but equal to molecular weight. Here it is given for one molecule. Now go to the problem. So weight of one molecule equals weight of one molecule is given as 8.5 into 10 power minus 23 grams. మన molecular weight find out చేయాలంటే 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules కి weight find out చేయాలి. Molecules is how much? So here 23 is cancelled. 6.0 to 8.5. So just do the calculation. Okay. So you have to do the calculations. Just we are giving the hints in these classes. See the next problem. That is the question number 2. At NTP we know that it's a normal temperature and pressure. So 5.6 liter. 5.6 liter of a gas weighing 8 grams weighs 8 grams. So what is the vapor density of the gas? Okay, we know vapor density equals molecular weight by 2. So vapor density is equal to molecular weight by 2. So what is the molecular weight? Molecular weight means nothing but 22.4, the mass of 22 point, అంటే ఇక్కడ సేమ్ డిఫరెంట్ రిలేషన్ చూడండి ఇక్కడ వేపర్ డెన్సిటీ మాలిక్యులర్ weight కి వాల్యూమ్ కి వెయిట్ కి. సో అంటే ఇక్కడ రిలేషన్ బిట్వీన్ వాల్యూమ్ అండ్ వెయిట్ కి రిలేషన్ we know that 22.4 liters equal weight of 22.4 liters of a gas is treated as molecular weight. So but what is given? It is given only 5.6 liter, but I 22.4 liter tells that molecular weight also. So 5.6 liter 5 point given. What is given? It's a formula. Okay, these two are like formulas. So 5.6 liters weighs equal to 8 grams. We have to take 22.4 liters ki find out cheste. So that will be the molecular weight. So that is approximately 32. So the molecular weight is 32 grams. So one low substitute. So the one implies so what is the vapor density? Okay, 16. So otherwise we can say vapor density man other definition కూడా ఇవ్వచ్చు. So actual molecular weight అంటే the mass nothing but the weight of 22.4 liter gas అన్నాం. అదే మోడల్లో వేపర్ డెన్సిటీకి ఏం చేయొచ్చు అంటే ఫైనల్గా చేసిన తర్వాత బయట చేయొచ్చు. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద అదర్ డెఫినేషన్ అంటే ద మాస్ ఆఫ్ 11.2 liters, the mass of 11.2 liters of gas is also treated as vapor density. Let's see the question number 9. One gram of hydrogen, 16 grams of oxygen, both at STP contain same number of dash. So we already said that. So don't compare the weights. We have to compare the number of moles. అంటే ఇచ్చిన weights number of moles కన్వర్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత మనం సో ఈక్వల్ చేయాలి. నథింగ్ బట్ కంపేర్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ 1 గ్రామ్ ఆఫ్ హైడ్రోజన్ అన్నాడు. 1 గ్రామ్ ఆఫ్ హైడ్రోజన్ మీన్స్ number of moles at weight by molecular weight. So weight by molecular weight how much? 2. That is 0.5 moles. Next for oxygen, this is number of moles of H2. So number of moles of O2, 16 grams weight. What is the molecular weight? 32. So that is also 0.5 moles. So moles are equal. So equal moles, therefore number of molecules are also equal. Okay, just here I want to say the main thing is always compare the number of moles, not the weights. Okay, let's see the next one. The number of electrons present in. So it is question number 13. The number of electrons present in 1.6 grams of methane is dash. Okay. Here number of so electrons right? So now we have to do normal calculation. So methane, the 1 mole of methane is kuna. Okay, so 1 mole of methane means how many electrons? So 1.6 grams. So first manam a single methane molecule check cheddam. Single methane molecule of carbon is having 6 electrons, hydrogen having 1 electron each, that is a 10 electron. Now 1 methane 10 electrons. So 1 mole methane equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23 into 10 electrons. So 1 mole and nothing but it is 16 gram of methane is having 6.022 into 10 power 23 power 1 and 24 electrons. Okay, so okay, it's the question number 1.6 grams of methane is having how many electrons? Okay, 16. Okay, so do the calculation. I think we will get the exactly Avogadro number. Let's see the next question. So what is the weight of question number 15? So what is the weight of 0.25 gram atoms? Gram atoms of carbon. So very simple, just again here don't confuse in the grams. It is not given exact grams, it is given gram atoms. So gram atom equals atomic weight for carbon, that is equal to 12 gram. At a 1 gram atom. So 1 gram atom of carbon equal to 12 gram. Then what about 0.25 gram atom of carbon? To 12. So there is 3 grams. See the 18th problem in that exercise 2. The total number of electrons present in 18 milliliter of water. So again, we know the relation. So milliliters lo ichindi manaki. First we take one water molecule. So how many water molecule మనం తర్వాత గెస్ చేద్దాం. So one water molecule చూద్దాం. One water molecule. So the question is. So it is not mentioned about the temperature. మనం 4 degrees mention చేస్తే డైరెక్ట్గా రాస్తారు 1 gram equals అని. So it is not mentioned about the temperature. So normal చేయాల్సింది 1H2 equal to how many electrons? Each hydrogen 1 electron plus oxygen, it is also 10 electron. So 1 mole. 1 mole values ఇచ్చింది కాబట్టి అది in terms of milliliter ఇచ్చింది కాబట్టి 22,400 milliliter equals. So 1 mole equal Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 power 23 into 10 electrons. So then what about 18 milliliter of water is how many electrons? Okay, just do the calculation. So if it is mentioned at exactly 4 degrees Celsius and mentioned చేస్తే సో మనం డైరెక్ట్గా అవగాడో నెంబర్ రాసుకోగలం బికాజ్ 18 at 4 degrees Celsius already we know the information that 1 milliliter equals 1 gram. Okay, it is not given, it is not mentioned about the temperature. Okay, see the one more important problem. So the percentage is a very important one. The percentage of magnesium in chlorophyll is 2.68 by weight. Find the number of magnesium atoms in 2 grams of chlorophyll. Okay, so as well so here it is important that already in the worksheet 1 mole concept 1 worksheet we done about the hemoglobin. So at that time only we discussed about the chlorophyll. That chlorophyll, what is the pigment? The chlorophyll pigment is present in the green color leaves. Atlete manaki body blood red color is and hemoglobin. Exactly, the chlorophyll is responsible for the green color of plant leaves. Okay. So it is given 2.68 by weight, but it is not given about the molecular weight. Actually, the molecular weight of chlorophyll. Without this information, we can't do the problem. So molecular weight of chlorophyll is given. So 907.5. With the help of that only we are able to do it. So what is the percentage is given? The percentage of chlorophyll is magnesium. The chlorophyll magnesium. Actually, chlorophyll or magnesium. Atlete manaki hemoglobin lo the central ion is ferric ion. So in the same way, so ferrous are ferric, not exactly, but iron ion is there. But here in the chlorophyll, the central ion is magnesium plus 2. Magnesium there is no other possibility. Magnesium plus 2. So how many magnesium ions undalsundi? Okay, whatever, magnesium atoms in given in the general question. So 2.6, so one chlorophyll, one molecule weight is the 9 naught point, molecular weight means the weight of 1 mole. The weight of 1 mole of chlorophyll is 907.5. So that 1 mole any magnesium so మనం find out చేద్దాం. Okay, first the percentage of magnesium equal to 2.68. So therefore 1 mole లో చూద్దాం 907.5 లో 2.68 percentage. So here we will get 24 point something. Okay, 24.321 gram. Okay, and ఇక్కడ 1 mole 24.321 gram. So how many magnesium అంటే 2.68% ఉంది. 2.68% అంటే ఎన్ని గ్రామ్స్ వస్తుంది అంటే 24.321. This neglect the 0.321 అంటే approximate 24 grams వస్తుంది. So 24 grams అంటే how many magnesium? So 1 magnesium. So that is equal to 1 magnesium. Okay. So here important ikkada manam 1 mole actually manam, so that is equal to 1 mole of magnesium. So 1 mole of magnesium అంటే మళ్ళీ అవగాడ్రో నెంబర్ వస్తుంది. సో మనం కానీ 1 magnesium ఆన్సర్ తీసుకోవాలి బికాస్ మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసేది మాలిక్యులర్ వెయిట్ కేసు. అంటే మనం ఎన్ని క్లోరోఫిల్కి క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసినాం? 1 మోల్కి క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసినాం. సో 1 మోల్ క్లోరోఫిల్కి క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తే 1 మోల్ మెగ్నీషియం వచ్చింది. సో సింగిల్గా 1 క్లోరోఫిల్ మాలిక్యూల్ ఇచ్చేస్తే అది బట్ 1 మాలిక్యూల్ 1 మెగ్నీషియం ఆటమ్ వస్తుంది. మీన్స్ వీ కెన్ కన్క్లూడ్ దట్ sorry, here again how many number of magnesium atoms are present in 2 grams of chlorophyll? So again it is given 2 grams. So my number of atoms ikkada ochindi. The question it is for 2 grams of chlorophyll. So ikkada 9.75 lo manaki 1 mole of magnesium untadi. Ante simply we can say 1 chlorophyll, again 1 chlorophyll ante 907.5 grams of chlorophyll has 1 mole of magnesium. Molecular తీసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి 1 ఆన్సర్ వచ్చిందంటే 1 మోల్కి మనకి ఆటమిక్ వెయిట్ అన్నది బట్ 1 మోల్ ఆటమ్స్ వెయిటే కదా. So here it is very important. 9.7.8. What is the 2 grams chlorophyll contain how many moles? Moles వచ్చి మనం నార్మల్ నెంబర్లో కన్వర్ట్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే, సో that will 1 by 907.5. So here we get the answer. So ఇక్కడ డైరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఇక్కడ వచ్చిందంటే మళ్ళీ దేంట్లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలంటే నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఆటమ్స్లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. అంటే ఇక్కడ వచ్చే నీకు నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోల్స్ వస్తుంది. సేమ్ మోల్స్ని so by 6.022 into 10 power 23 basis, you have to find the exact number of atoms. Okay, let's do that calculation.